Hello guys, my name is Cesar. I'm going to cook apple donuts, which is beignet à la pomme in French. It's more like a fritters rather than a donut. We are doing this recipe at the restaurant of Aoun in Stock Newington Street. Okay, so let's start. First of all, we need some cornstarch flour, and we're gonna put 100 grams of it. This. It's roughly 100 grams, it doesn't have to be that precise actually. Okay, and then we're gonna use soda water, which has been chilled previously. And we use 150 grams, 150 milliliters of it. You can put it all at once, it doesn't matter. And then you just blend it and whisk it all together. So very straightforward. Only 2 ingredients so far. And you should have the consistency of like batter of a pancake, ideally. Alright, that's it. We're gonna set it aside for now and prepare the apples. So we just core the center of the apple. I used the pink lady for the variety of apple because it's got that sweetness to it. That's it. And then we're just gonna slice the apple. So I would say half a milliliter in terms of thickness. You can make it thinner, it depends, but I think it's the right texture if you do half a centimeter. Voilà. And then I've previously heated up the oil like 180 degrees. And we're just gonna dip all the apples into the batter. So it's better to work, maybe I do half, I do this in 2 batches. Okay, off we go. One by one. I just prepared some paper to dry them later on when it's cooked. It's going to be pretty quick, probably I would say 2 minutes. What you do at some point, you just turn them just to make sure they cook evenly on both sides. This recipe is vegan, there is absolutely no eggs in it, only apples. Not many ingredients to make them actually. Pretty straightforward. And because we only use cornstarch, it's going to be very, very crispy in the end. Pink lady is quite a soft apple, so it will be crispy outside and quite melty on the inside. say 2 minutes. I didn't measure properly the time, but I mean, what you're looking for is that kind of golden color. Once it starts to get a bit more golden than white, then you know that they are cooked. Still need a bit more. Go. Just make sure you patch them properly to remove any excess of oil. And then once they are nice and dry, we're just gonna sprinkle them with icing sugar. That's a very basic, and we could use some cinnamon powder. I mean, that would be nice as well. Et voilà, that's it. Nice and crunchy.
Try one. Really good. Really crispy. Crunchy.
Okay guys, so that was a very easy recipe, only 4 ingredients, easy vegan food. If you want to try it on the market, I leave it in the link in the bio, and you can come and see me and try it for real. Thank you very much.